Classical Feng Shui masters might say, move fast, seize the moment. At Imperial Harvest, we refine the moment first. With Intelligence Star sharpening your mind and Sky Horse Star setting you in motion, 2026 isn't a sprint, it is a disciplined acceleration. Learn with intent, move with purpose, progress becomes inevitable. Intelligence Star illuminates skill building, credentials and clear thinking. Sky Horse Star signals movement, travel, relocation, wider markets. You evolve by acting deliberately. Upskill, reposition, expand networks. With Solitary Star in periphery, guard your heart space. Connection is fuel. Anchor your ambition in community and progress compounds. Focus on career income and skill premiums rather than windfalls. Under Sky Horse Star, overseas contract and cross-border clients can live cash flow, but only with due diligence. Avoid luxury creep and greedy trades. Keep buffers, staggered entries, and review allocations quarterly. Consistency today becomes security tomorrow. Intelligence Star favors examinations, certifications, and thought leadership. Sky Horse Star rewards mobility, secondments, transfers, and regional mandates. Academia, media, and creative fields see breakout moments. Entrepreneurs expand, but pace rollouts to signal reliability. Document scope, nurture key alliances, and let steady delivery speak. Funeral Door and Earth Funeral Stars can drain vitality if stress runs high. Guard sleep, lighten late-night screens, and keep digestion calm on the road. For frequent flyers under Sky Horse Stars, hydrate, choose clean meals, move daily. Balance the mind through brief work or quiet walks. Prevention is your age. Solitary Star can amplify distance when schedules surge. Lit with sincerity, check-ins, shared meals, small celebrations. Singles meet kindred spirits via professional circles. Pace with clarity. Couples choose empathy over assumptions. Gentle words travel furthest. In Imperial Harvest practice, alignment replaces guesswork. Intelligence Star refines connection, memory, and articulation, vital for exams, features, and strategy work. Sky Horse Star aligns movements, relocations, market entries, and timely journeys. Your Imperial Master Blueprint reveals when to learn, when to leap, and where to land. Consecrated treasures matched to your elements stabilize focus, stamina, turning mobility into meaningful elevation. Classical Feng Shui says move fast, Imperial Harvest says move wisely. For the monkey, 2026 is discipline ascent. Skill first, then scale. Stay curious, stay connected, and let structure carry your stride. Claim your Imperial Harvest Master Blueprint 2026. Align your learning, align your moves. Your future is in your hands.